Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to create ConvertKit subscriber for CopeCart payment. So I am selling my products with the help of CopeCart, and now my objective is that as soon as a new payment will be received by a new customer in CopeCart, automatically that same customer should be added as a new subscriber in my ConvertKit account. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between CopeCart and ConvertKit, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles: trigger and action. So in trigger we are going to take CopeCart, and in action we are going to take ConvertKit, and we will connect both of them without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. And to learn the entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a ConvertKit subscriber whenever a new payment will be received from CopeCart. So my objective is that whenever a person is going to purchase a product from CopeCart, automatically that same person should be added as a new subscriber in my ConvertKit account. For creating this automation, I'm going to simply build a connection between CopeCart and ConvertKit, and that too without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which allows us to connect multiple applications without the requirement of any coding or programming skills to automate our task. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So because I'm already an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders over here according to our choice to save our workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Create ConvertKit subscriber for CopeCart payment. After giving the name here, I'm going to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So I have created a folder with the name as CopeCart Automations. I have selected that, and now let's click on create. As we have done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is a trigger and the other is action. So as I told you that Pabbly Connect works on these two principles. So basically these two are the main concepts or the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take CopeCart in our trigger and ConvertKit in our action. And our objective is that as soon as we are going to receive a new payment from CopeCart, automatically the person who has made the payment should be added as subscriber in ConvertKit. Okay, so clearly we can see that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the payment is made in CopeCart, then only the person is added as a subscriber in ConvertKit, otherwise no. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, and that is CopeCart. So let's select that. And now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So instant payment notification will be our trigger event over here. So whenever the payment will be made in CopeCart, the response will be captured over here, and with that response, the workflow is going to automatically trigger. As we have done that, we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. We need to follow these instructions step by step, and very carefully we have to read them in order to connect our CopeCart account with Pabbly Connect. And the webhook URL which is provided to us is going to act as a bridge for sending the data from CopeCart towards Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let us copy this webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So for this, I'm going to take you towards my CopeCart account, and here we have to go towards settings sections. Under settings, we can find the option of IP and connections. Let's select that. And here we have to click on this new integration button to create a new integration first of all. And now we have to select the integration type. So we have to select generic over here. Let's click on create. And now we have to provide the details to create the integration. First of all, let's give a name to our connection. Let's say the name will be ConvertKit subscribers. Okay, I've given a name. Now here in the notification URL field, we have to paste the URL which we have received from Pabbly Connect. We have already done that, and now we have to provide a password. And now I'm going to provide a password over here. So I'm just going to give a random password. Okay, now let's click on save changes. As we have done that, the connection is saved successfully. So let's go back towards integration. And here we can see that our integration, which we have created recently with the name as ConvertKit subscriber, is added over here. And it is in active state. So now what we are supposed to do, we have to attach this integration, this connection with the product which we want to sell. For that, let's go towards product section inside CopeCart. And this is the product which I want to sell through CopeCart. So I'm going to go towards edit section of this product. Under edit, we can find the option of interfaces under additional. So let's select that. And here we have to select the integration which we want to connect with this product. So this is my integration with the name as ConvertKit subscribers. As you know, we have recently created this. I have selected it and it is now active. So I'm going to remove this integration from the product and done. Okay, now let's click on save. And with this, our connection is saved successfully. So let's just go back towards Pabbly Connect. Here it is already showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission by making the payment inside CopeCart for the product so that the response could be captured over here. So now once again, I'm going to go back towards the product section. And here I'm going to click on preview this product to open it in the store. Okay, so this is the product. I'm going to select the English language. Okay, and now here I'm going to purchase this product by making a test payment. Okay, so because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to select the payment option first of all as test, and now I'm going to enter the details. And because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to enter all the dummy details over here. Let's start with the name of the customer. Let's say the name of the customer is Smart and the last name is user, Smart user. Here I'm going to enter a random email address, smartuser490@pablytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. Now here I'm going to select the country, India, street, house number, and done. Okay, and now I'm going to simply click on chargeable order now. Okay, so it is asking us for the postcode and the city as well. So I'm going to enter a random city and the postcode. Okay, now let's click on chargeable order now once again. And we can see that our order is placed. Okay, so when we have successfully placed the order, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. And yes, here we can find that as soon as we have made the order inside CopeCart, the response is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. In this response, we have received all the details related to the order and also of the customer who has made this payment. So this is the phone number, email address, first name, last name, country, city, and all other address details of the customer. So now this means that our connection between CopeCart and Pabbly Connect is perfectly successful. Now, whenever a customer is going to make the payment for a product inside CopeCart, the response will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect as well. Now our objective is to add the customer who has recently made the payment in CopeCart as a subscriber in ConvertKit. For that, we have to connect our ConvertKit account with Pabbly Connect. So our action application here will be ConvertKit. Let's select that. And now we have to select the action event. And here our action event will be add subscriber to a form. So because we want to add subscriber whenever a payment will be made in CopeCart, therefore we have selected the action event. Now let's click on connect. From the given options, I'm going to select add new connection. And to build a new connection, we have to provide two details, API key and the API secret. So for getting both these details, the instructions are provided to us very clearly. We just have to log into our ConvertKit account and then we have to go towards account settings. So I'm directly going to click on this account settings button. Now after coming over here inside ConvertKit account, we can find the option of advanced. So let's select that. Under advanced, here is our API key and here is our API secret. So first of all, let us copy the API key. We will go back and paste it over here inside API key field. Now once again, we have to go back. This is the API secret. Let's click on show. We will copy it and paste it over here very quickly. Okay, so we have pasted both the details. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, we can find that ConvertKit is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward. Here we have to first of all select the form in which we want to add the subscribers. So we have subscriber form over here. We have selected that. Now we have to provide the first name, email and the tags. That means the first name of the subscriber to whom we want to add as well as their email. So we want to add the customer who has made the payment inside CopeCart as a subscriber in ConvertKit. And in our trigger response, we have already received all the details of that same customer from CopeCart response. So we will simply map the data one by one over here. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. We want to map the name. Let's select that. The name, that means the first name is given over here as Smart. Let's select that and it is mapped. So when we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to be replaced now. So whenever a new payment will be made in CopeCart by a new customer, automatically this name is going to be replaced with a new name of that new customer. And if we will enter the data manually by copy and pasting or by typing, then the data becomes static. So then we will not be able to change that data automatically. Therefore, to automate the entire process, we use mapping. Now in the same manner, we are going to map the email as well. Let's select that and done. If you want to assign a particular tag to your subscribers, you can do that as well. So here I'm going to select the tag, let's say as CopeCart. Okay, because we have received this subscriber from CopeCart. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And here we can see that we have received in the response we have also received the subscription ID as well as a subscription state. That means this subscriber is in active state and this is the ID of the subscriber. So let's go and check whether the subscriber is added in ConvertKit or not. And here under grow section we have the option of subscribers. Let's select that. Under the subscriber section, here we can see that recently a new subscriber is created over here with the name as Smart, and this is the same email address which we have entered while making the payment in CopeCart. This means that our connection between CopeCart and ConvertKit is perfectly successful. So let's check this workflow whether it is running perfectly fine or not. For that I'm going to once again go back towards CopeCart. Here I'm going to click on preview on the product. And I'm going to once again make a test payment with all another details. So this time, let's say the name of the customer is test. Here I'm going to select the last name as user. Okay, I'm going to give a random email over here, a random phone number as well. Country is already selected as India. Here I'm going to select the street, house number and the state. So after giving all the details, now I'm going to click on chargeable order now to make the payment. And the payment is successful. So once we have set up this automation and we have made the payment in CopeCart, let's go and check whether automatically the customer who has made the payment recently is added as a new subscriber inside ConvertKit or not. So this is the subscriber section. I'm going to refresh this page, and yes, here we can find that automatically without any manual efforts, the subscriber is recently added over here and it is in the confirmed status along with the same details: test name, test the first name of the customer as well as the email. This means that our connection is perfectly successful and our workflow is running perfectly fine. So let's summarize what we have done here in the workflow. We have taken two simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger we have taken CopeCart, and in action we have taken ConvertKit, and we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new payment will be received from CopeCart by a new customer, automatically that same customer will be added as a new subscriber in ConvertKit. Alright, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.